Now see. A block of mass m kept on the top of a truck as shown in the figure. If mu is a coefficient of friction between the surfaces in contact, then find the acceleration with which the truck should travel so that block remains in equilibrium. Yeah, so here, look at now here. So this side is open, back side is open. Now, see in this case, what happens now here? The truck is moving some acceleration. Now let us see what are forces acting on this block. And first of all, weight of this block downward direction. This is mg. And we have a normal reaction upward direction. And so you tell me now here in this case, what happens you see? And which direction the block will experience? With this block is there in a some platform, that platform is accelerating. And this is comes under what type of now here? Pseudo. Yes, this is the frame. This is a non-inertial frame. So whenever any platform is moving, then what happens now here? It will experience a pseudo force. Then we have a pseudo force. And pseudo force direction is which direction? Opposite to the platform motion. Opposite the platform motion. How much that value? Mass of a body and acceleration of a platform. So here, so this pseudo force, the truck is moving right side. So this block will experience a certain force in the left side. So that is a pseudo force. If I call this as FP, FP the pseudo force. Because the pseudo force, the block will move which direction? Yes, right or left it will move. Because of the pseudo force, the block will move the left side. This will move back side. Then they chance to fall. So, but they are saying it as a block remains in equilibrium means should not move now. So that means there might be frictional force between these two block and the truck now. So that frictional force is F. If the frictional force balances the pseudo force, then the block is at rest. Otherwise, the block will fall down. Right. Now tell me now in this case. So now for this one here, for the block to be equilibrium, the condition is what? Tell me now here. Frictional force has to be balanced by what? Tell me now here. Pseudo force. Yes, the frictional force. What the frictional force is given by what? Tell me now. F is equal to mu into N, and which is equal to pseudo force is how much? M into A. And so mu into N value how much? N value M into G, and which is equal to M into A. So M will get cancelled. Then acceleration is how much you tell me now? Which is equal to mu G. If the truck is moving this much of acceleration, then the block is in equilibrium. Until this much of acceleration, the block is in equilibrium. If the acceleration more than this, block will move backside.